Now also, since this is going to be a garden vegetable area, I'm not even quite sure why they planted a lemon tree, and either this is lemon or lime. I'm not quite sure why they did that. They could have easily planted those over there. That would have given more room here, less shade, so forth and so on. But because this is so big, and you know, I'm going to chop off all these tall things and kind of make it more user-friendly, kind of into a bush more so. This one seems to be fine. There's room around there. That way she can work around here nice and easy, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's do it. Oh, good grief. You know, I specifically came over here this morning to work on the drip irrigation, and I have not even touched it yet. But I knew these things needed to be done. Got this all trimmed off, chopped off. Got the dirt resituated in here about level everywhere. And see, I even made a walking path here. I chopped out all the roots from over there. All I used was my hammer. Can you believe that? Look at these. Look at all these big old roots that came across here. Some smaller ones, that other thing there. I chopped all this from here to there down about 6 inches. Any roots I came in contact with, I took out. This thing, this little rose bush was growing under there. I had to whack that off. And so see, now I've got a nice little walking path here, don't I? Okay, and because of that, once I get ready to do the drip, I'm gonna rearrange this stuff so it doesn't go over there, so you don't see this, so that the drippers are going exactly where they're going. I'm not covering this up just yet. I'm gonna look at the existing drippers, see where the other drippers are coming off of over here, to figure out how to get this rose, how to get this rose, how to get this rose properly, how to get that rose properly, that one, and do all that, and then figure out how I'm gonna traverse this 1/4 inch tube up here so it's not a tripping hazard. That's not a tripping hazard. And I'll formulate that next time, okay? If you want to check that out, keep watching my videos, because I'll be back for sure.